Good morning, friends. It's Steven Woloszyk from Prime Lending. Today is Tuesday. It's June 7th. That means it's time for Tuesday's 2-minute tip. Yesterday, I had a couple of different people ask the same question, one via text and one via email. These are people that I've been working with for a little while and trying to improve their credit score. One of them found a house that they wanted to act on sooner than later, so the question came about, what if I had a cosigner? That doesn't sound like a bad idea. This question comes up quite a bit, and I think part of the reason for it is it's very common practice in the car loan business where you go to an auto lot, and if you don't have a credit score that's high enough, or maybe a couple of dings, or you just don't have any history, you could ask mom, dad, a sibling, or a buddy to co-sign, and sure as can be, you're driving off the lot that day with a new car. Well, it works a little bit different in the mortgage business. First of all, we call it a little bit fancier term. Instead of a cosigner, it's a non-occupant co-borrower. So we can have a non-occupant co-borrower, but they don't make up for a deficiency in the credit score. Why we use them in the mortgage business is to help with adding additional income and helping with the ratios. See, in the mortgage business, we have to use all of the credit scores, and we're required to use the lower middle score between all the borrowers that are on the application. So dad could have an 805, mom can have an 815, but if you're sitting there and you've got a 624, we're stuck with a 624, and you're only going to be able to qualify for programs that allow for a credit score of a 624. So I wish it were the other way around. If it were the other way around, I wouldn't have to do these videos, and I'd be doing mortgage loan applications all day long, helping people out into new homes. But that's the whole catalyst for doing these videos. That was part of what inspired me, was helping serve the community and helping people to raise their credit score, because we can't just have a cosigner fix everything. So if there's any question, if there's any doubt about where you sit and getting your credit score improved, call me. Call me up, pick up the phone. It takes a couple of minutes to run a tri-merge. Send me an email. Let's help you out. Let's get that score where it needs to be. If we need a non-occupant co-borrower to help with income, we can look into that too. But the first thing we have to do in order to open up that screen door is get your credit score where it needs to be. I'm Steven Woloszyk from Prime Lending. As always, I thank you for tuning in. And as always, make it a great day.